Golden kelp is critically important as it forms the foundation of Australia's Great Southern Reef System, supporting diverse marine life. When golden kelp declines, we see cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. Species lose their homes, commercial fisheries suffer, and coastal communities face economic and environmental consequences. The Golden Kelp Cultivation Handbook was created to address the critical knowledge gap we identified during Victoria's first attempt at kelp cultivation for marine sanctuary restoration in Port Phillip Bay. With Australia's seaweed industry expanding rapidly and golden kelp recognised as a species of high commercial interest, this handbook equally supports both environmental and commercial goals by providing science-based cultivation techniques that serve restoration efforts and emerging aquaculture opportunities. This project has significant potential to shape the future of seaweed farming and marine restoration across Australia because it addresses a knowledge gap for a species now recognised among the country's top 6 economically valuable seaweeds. With funding from Department of Energy, Environment and Climate Action, collaboration was essential to this research, bringing together Deakin University, the University of Melbourne, the Nature Conservancy and Parks Victoria. Each partner brought a unique, complementary expertise to this complex restoration challenge. The handbook provides a resource that can be accessed by a wider audience beyond this project.